Saseni, guess what? Niko busy hapa napika ugali and then watoi wako tu huko wanatana vitu upside down. Cheki, ugali yangu inaanza kuchomeka sasa. Sasa ugali, mboga yangu, stew yangu. Alafu watoi ngoja uone kitu nafanya. Watoi wamechoka, wameboeka, wanatana how upside down. Toys zimeshabo. So tuta have to find njia nyingine kwa make entertain kwa sababu nje kunanyesha right now. Sawa? Stay tuned uone kitu tutafanya. Poa. Bye. So today I'm going to show you what we can do with tape. Regular tape. Make a basketball hoop. Get them playing with some balls. Just get the balls you have around the house. Or we can tape the floor and make a racetrack or a walking track and just have at it, okay? See you guys. Watch me how I do it. Hii tu ni kitu tunaweka ndio watoi wasitoke nje bila wewe kuacha kufungua mlango. But unaweza ona tape. Na kama uko na like ndoo ama ile kasuku unaweza ikata. Alafu sasa hii ndio inaweza kuwa basketball hoop yako kwa nyumba. You can barely see it. But there it is. The baby already got some balls. We're gonna go get more balls and play some basketball. What are you doing? What are you doing? Tape. Tape on the floor. Make lines, make zigzags, and see what else the kids can do. So I'm gonna clear this space and tape it down. Go turn off the fire. Bring the fire truck to the school bus. Oh, there you go. Okay. You packing them next to each other? Put out the fire. Yay!
The fire's gone.
The fire's gone. Good job. Micah put out a fire. Micah's a good fireman. Yay! Do you want to walk on the track? Alright, let's go, baby. Walk. Walk. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, 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 walk. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Walk. Let me see you walk on the track. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Good job. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. Yay! Good job. An hour later, only half of the track is remaining. Tukula ugali kiasi alafu tumekwa pack. Tucheza kwa hao tukachoka. Micah pia nakula ugali. Open your mouth. Good job. Plate iko karibu kuisha. Looks like it stopped raining, so I think I'm gonna take them to the park. We'll play in the backyard for a little bit and then go to the park. Hivi ndio watoto wanakuwa punished huko. Just kidding. Ona sasa wananisaidia ku rake leaves. Rake leaves, Micah, rake leaves. Kazi nzuri. Oh, unasaidia mami? Rake, rake, rake. Wow. Wow. Anytime ya fall, sasa ile tree tunakuanga nayo, most of the leaves zimeanguka na ziko kwa backyard, which as in me wacha tu, but sasa since watoto wameboeka, sema why not cha tukuja tucheze kwa backyard kidogo before tuende kwa park. Did the baby steal it from you? Did the baby steal it from you? Micah, you're stronger than that. Wewe ni strong kuliko hiyo. Leaves. Leaves. We're going to the park. Stay ready. Set. Go. I gotta push you so you can go. Oh wow, Micah's going up to the big slide. Let's go, let's go, let's see. Alright, Micah, let's go. Say hi. Let's see your slide. Still there? Micah's gonna beat you at it. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Ah, baby, you did it! Good job! Good job, little one. There you go. Up, up, up. Get your exercise in so you can sleep good today. Micah, you going again? Yes. Yes. Up the steps. Stairs. Where's the baby? Baby, where are you? Hi, baby. Ready to go down? Let's go. Who's at the top of the hill? Hi, baby. How you doing? No, you don't come down the hill. All right. Show us how you doing, Micah. Show us how you do it. You play too much. Watch where you're going. Doing good. Buy water, easy water. It rained a little bit. There's water in some of the pockets. You can see the water. Hi, baby. You want to help Micah? You closing the gate. Up, up, up. Go up. Yes, see the water. Asante kwa kutuwatch. Stay tuned. Micah, what are you doing? Say bye. Say kwaheri. Bye. Asanteni kwa kuwatch. Tuona next time. Bye. Like it's red. Say bye.
Daddy.
Oh, you're blowing them.
Daddy, I like you. I like you. Mom, I'm gonna do this.